Hey guys, Sebbies is back. I do hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the arduous process of separating my locks. It has almost been a complete 4 months since I last did my retwist. And yeah, I got a lot of marriages that I got to divorce. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this safely. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I get my spray bottle and I spray my locks. Actually, that's not completely true. If I'm separating on a day that's not wash day, then that's what I do. But usually when I wash my hair, it's saturated with enough water where I don't really need to. So since today is not a wash day, I'm going to spray my locks with this water. And I want to, this is distilled water, I want to make sure it's completely saturated in there, okay? This is also why I can never retwist my locks dry. I know some people do that, but it does not work for me because I have this crazy merging that occurs, okay? And then, now that my locks are wet, I just sort of start to pull. Just kind of tug at it like that. Okay. And then I go in and make sure that I can feel down to the roots. And now I'm separated, or the locks are separated. Okay? You guys see that? So that's how I separate my locks. I wet them first so that I can minimize the damage that I'm doing as I'm pulling the hairs apart. And a lot of times, as I separate, the appropriate hairs will go to the appropriate locks. So those hairs went up there, those hairs went down there, and these locks are now separated. Remember at the beginning it was something like that, but now it's like that. Alright, I'm going to show you one more before I get out of here. So we have this bad boy, which is just really a mess, right? It's like so many locks, like at least 3. So, no worries, I just get my distilled water and I spray where the area where I want to pull apart. Okay? And then I make sure it's nice and wet, rub it in, and then I just start to pull the locks apart. And if it doesn't, start separating, it's really tight, then I kind of try to work a different area of it. Okay? Or I add more water. So this one is a tough one. I'm glad I'm showing you on here so you can see what I do. I mean, look at that, it's really, really together. So I just spray it with more water. Really saturate it, and then I pull, and it comes and starts to finally give. For a moment there it feels like it's not going to work, but you just gotta add more water and then continue tugging. And then these little, I don't know if you can see that on camera, there's like a little hair, maybe a couple strands there, right here where my finger is, see that? I just pull that. And I figure out where the hair should go. Like this one, I feel like that belongs down here. So I pull it like that right there. Even though the bottom is kind of tucked into this lock, I feel like when I trace it back to the root, it belongs with this lock. and it's important to keep the hair going into the appropriate lock so that you don't thin the locks out. So I pull it from that lock, and I'm not even tearing really, it's kind of sliding out like that, and now it's separated, you see? And I just do that with each lock. This would be even easier if I had just washed my hair, because all of this hair would be wet, but as you see, they're separated again. You see? Okay? And then I would just go in and do my retwist with no clips and stuff. So yeah, hopefully that second example gave you a better idea of, you know, what to do, especially when you run into a problematic section where when you first tug gently, you know, it's not giving it all. Just add more water and keep at it. This is the process that I use to do all of the separating of my locks. It looks a mess right now. I mean, if I were to lift this up, just it looks crazy, right? And it is a bit daunting, but I know that as soon as I apply water to my locks, and I start to, you know, just kind of gently tug at them, they will separate relatively easily. And if I can do this after 4 months, then I'm sure you guys can do it after probably a month or even 2 weeks. For those of you who have hair that really grows away from their locks and tangles really easily. So I hope this video was helpful. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. And I will be back very soon with my 3-year, 8-month lock update. So I will see you then. Sebbies is out.